welcome to our new video. In this video, we are going to learn how to add new Instagram media post in Google Sheets automatically. So, the idea here is whenever a new media post is added into an Instagram account, I want a new row should be added into Google Sheets. But the issue here is Instagram and Google Sheets do not have any integration or any direct contact between them. So, in this video, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect to integrate Instagram and Google Sheets. Pabbly Connect is a third-party software which will help to transfer the data of Instagram to Google Sheets. The best part of using Pabbly Connect is you do not need to have coding skills and programming knowledge. It is actually very easy to use. Let me show you how on my screen. So guys, this is my Google Sheet. Here you can see I've mentioned some details such as username, media type, post link, caption, post ID and date. And this is my Instagram account. The username is 𝗪𝗆𝗍𝗋𝗆𝗍𝗋. So what I want to do here is whenever I'm updating or I'm posting a new photo into my account, I want some details of the same post to be updated into my Google Sheet. So here, for example, this is my post. So I want the data of this post such as the date, caption and the link of this post to be updated here into my Google Sheet. So let me just make a new post in front of you and then we will check if the data is getting added into my Google Sheets or not. So as you can see here, this is my Instagram profile. But as it is opened in desktop, here the add post app option is not available. So let's first convert this into mobile view. So here I'm going to do right click and I'm going to choose inspect and then I'm going to choose this. So here you can see this option responsive. Here choose any phone. I'm just going to choose Moto G4. After that I'm going to refresh the page. I'm closing this and now you can see this button. Add post option is available now. So here I'm going to click on this and then I'm going to select the photo which I want to post. So let me just select it. Okay, so this is the photo which I want to post. So I'm selecting it and let me just adjust it. Okay. And then I'm going to click on next. Here I'm going to write the caption as cupcake. Cupcake. Okay, this is. And then I'm going to click on share. After clicking on share, as you can see, the post is added into my profile. Let's check from here. Okay, so this post and the caption here is cupcake is added. So now we have to check if the same data is updated into my Google Sheets or not. So this is my Google Sheets and wow, here you can see I just added a post into my Instagram account and the same details. Let's match the details. The caption was cupcake. Yes, the caption is cupcake. Username is 𝗪𝗆𝗍𝗋𝗆𝗍𝗋. Yes, it is the same username and these details. So here you saw I just made a post in Instagram and the same details were added automatically into my Google Sheets. So you must be wondering how I manage to do this workflow. Like whenever I'm posting a new photo, how come the details are getting automatically mentioned into my Google Sheets? So I just followed 3 simple steps and created this workflow. So they are very easy and you can do the same. Let me show you what are those steps. So guys, these are the steps I followed to create the workflow. So here the first step is connect Pabbly Connect to Instagram. So here what we have to do is we have to first log in into Pabbly Connect and then we have to connect Instagram with Pabbly Connect. And then the second step is collect the data from Instagram in Pabbly Connect. So after we will connect Instagram with Pabbly Connect, whatever data we are going to mention in Instagram, the same data will be captured by Pabbly Connect. And in the third step, send the same data to Google Sheets from Pabbly Connect. So in the third step, whatever data will be captured by Pabbly Connect from Instagram will be sent to Google Sheets. So in simple, first we have to connect Instagram with Pabbly Connect, and then we have to connect Pabbly Connect with Google Sheets. So let me just show you how it is done on my screen. Okay, so to begin with the process, first type pabbly.com in your browser. Pabbly.com. Pabbly. Pabbly.com. So this is how the website of Pabbly.com looks like. Here on the option of products, you can see there are various products, but we have to click on Connect. After clicking on Connect, this is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. Here I am going to click on Sign In as I have already made an account. But as you are a new user, you can also create your account just by signing up for free in 2 minutes. I'm going to click on Sign In and this dashboard will appear. So to continue with the workflow, I'm going to scroll down. Here on Connect, I'm going to click on Access Now. After clicking on Access Now, this dashboard will appear. Here on the top right corner, we have to click on this button, Create Workflow. After clicking here, this dialog box will appear. So basically, it is asking us to give a name to our workflow. So I'm going to give it as Instagram to Google Sheet. Instagram to Google Sheets. Okay. Google. Let me correct it. Google Sheets. You can also give it the name according to yourself, but as according to our topic, I give it as Instagram to Google Sheets. I'm going to click on Create. After clicking on Create, this window will appear. So you must be thinking, what are these two boxes? This trigger and action. Let me explain you. Integration works on the concept of triggers and action. What trigger basically is when this happens, and action is do this. When this happen, do this. According to our topic, when a new post is added in Instagram, add a new row in Google Sheets. So let me tell you by doing the process. Here in trigger window, in the choose app, I am going to choose Instagram. And then I'm going to choose the trigger event as new media posted in my account. And after selecting the trigger event, we have to click on Connect. So here I'm going to make a new connection. Connect with Instagram. And here I'm going to choose the account which I have to connect. So I'm clicking on Allow. Let me tell you one more thing. Pabbly Connect do not take any chances with your data. Your data is 100% safe and secure. So here, after clicking on Connect, we have to click on Save and Send Test Request. So here, Pabbly Connect will going to capture the recent data of our Instagram account. So the recent data was this post. The caption was cupcake. So this is the recent data which is captured by Pabbly Connect. So here, as you can see, this was the caption. Yes, the caption was cupcake. Media type was image. So here Pabbly Connect captured the data. So I'm going to proceed. But here you can see the time step. One more thing. The time step is in a complicated format, but I want to simplify it according to myself. So how can I do that? For that, I'm going to establish a new window. And in the choose app, I'm going to choose date time formatter. Date time formatter by Pabbly. So basically the purpose of choosing date time formatter by Pabbly is we can just simplify the format of this date according to our choice. So here in the action event, I'm going to choose format date only. And I'm going to click on connect. After clicking on connect, this field is required, date required. So this is the date which I want to work. So here I selected this to format. So here are various formats available, but I want to choose according to myself. So this is the format which I want, that is date, month and year. So I will be choosing this. You can choose according to your choice. After that, I'm going to again choose from format. So this was the earlier format. So I'll mention this here. And after this, I'm going to click on save and send test request. After clicking, here you can see the date is now simplified in the choose format. This is date, month and year. Perfect. And then we will proceed with our next action. Here in the choose app, this time I am going to choose Google Sheets. After selecting Google Sheets, the action event will be add new row. Why? Because this is the topic of our workflow. Whenever a new post is added, add new row in Google Sheets. So here are various actions available, but I am going to choose add new row. After choosing the action event, click on connect. After clicking on connect, I am going to make a new connection. Click on add new connection, connect with Google Sheets. So this is the account from which I want to connect with Google Sheets. Okay. Click on continue. Okay, so the authorization is successful. So here you can see now Pabbly Connect is connected with my Google Sheets. So here you can see all the spreadsheet programs of my accounts are visible. So what is the sheet which I want to use is, let me show you. Here I created a new sheet for my work, that is new Instagram post. I titled it as new Instagram post and I mentioned the column as username, media type, post link, caption, post ID and date. What it is? New Instagram post. So I will be selecting this sheet here, new Instagram post. After selecting this sheet, automatically all the columns of this sheet will be available here. So as you can see, it is asking us to map the data. What mapping is? Mapping is basically that data which was captured by Pabbly Connect from Instagram is the same data which we are going to map here. So in mapping, we have to just click on the data here according to the field. So for example, here the username. So let's see what was the username. The username was 𝗪𝗆𝗍𝗇 𝗍𝙠101. Exactly the same username is available here. So this is how mapping works. So I'm going to choose this here. And the media type. Let me again show you. The media type was image. Yes, the media type was image. So this is the same data we are just mentioning by one click. So the post link was, this is the permalink post, this. Okay. The caption was, yes, the caption was cupcake as I can see the cupcake, same caption here. How easy it is. And then I'm going to make some more entries here such as post ID. This is the post ID and the date. Okay, so the date is, date I'm going to choose from date time formatter. So this was the date I converted into this format. So I will be choosing this. So again, I'm going to click on save and send test request. Here the response received is showing that the row in sheet is updated. Let's move on to our Google Sheet and check if the data is updated here or not. Okay. Perfect. So as you can see, I just clicked on save and send test request and this data which I mapped here is updated into my Google Sheets. But now we have to check by again making a new post in Instagram and then we will directly check in the spreadsheet if the data is updating or not. So here let me first explain you what we did in a nutshell. Okay, so first we integrated Instagram with Pabbly Connect. Okay, then here we saw the date time formatter was quite complicated, but I wanted to choose the format according to my choice. So With the help of date-time formatter, I choose this format and converted the date into date, month and year format. And in the last step, we connected the Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect and mapped all the data. So this is how our data flow will looks like. Here now I'm again going to make a new post. So here on the plus button I'm going to choose this and let me just select this photo. Okay, and let me adjust it. It's looking like this because I have zoomed the screen. In the next it will show like this. Here I'm going to write the caption as rose. Okay, and then I'm going to click on share. Okay, so here you can see this new post is added into my profile. Let's check from here. Okay, so as you can see, this post is added into my profile and here you can see the caption as rose. Okay, perfect. So now what we have to do is we have to check if the same data is mentioned in our Google Sheet or not. Okay, I'm going to refresh. Not yet. So here I would like to tell you one more thing. Instagram is a polling application. So what happened here is the data will take a time of 10 to 15 minutes to update it because of Instagram is an polling app. So here let's wait for a while and we will check again. Let's check again after refreshing. Excellent. So now as you can see, our data is updated into my Google Sheets. Here you can see the caption was rose. Okay. This was the username 𝗪𝗆𝗆𝗍. Perfect. And now here you can see the same data is updated here. This is the username 𝗪𝗆𝗆𝗍𝗏101. This is the caption and these details. So this is how it works. Let me again show you by making one more post. So it will be more clear to you. Okay, so I'm doing one more post. Okay, this is the post I want to do. Here I'm going to click on next and I'm going to mention the caption as mountains. Perfect. And then I'm going to click on share. After clicking on share, here you can see in my profile, this post is updated. The caption is mountain. So this time again we are going to check our spreadsheet if the data is updated or not. Okay, so let's move here. Perfect. So as you can see, again this post from the same username and the caption is mountain is updated into my Google Sheets. So this means our integration is working successfully and the data flow between Instagram and Google Sheet is perfectly established with the help of Pabbly Connect. Not just these two applications, you can integrate plenty of applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. And if you have any queries, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com or you can simply ask your queries and feedbacks at this link here. Thank you for watching. You can also like, share and subscribe if you like the video. Thank you so much. Bye.